There's a shift happening, a movement towards something better. Not just in what we build, but in the futures we choose to create. We're all part of something larger, an evolution, a break from the past, a bold step away from the old ways of fueling our world, and a leap towards something new. A future where clean energy isn't a hope, but a given. Where innovation doesn't just move us forward, it lifts us all. This is the next generation of energy, of thinking, of living. A generation that doesn't ask for change, they demand it. They expect better. They know we can do more, be more. This is the new generation of industry developers. Using renewable hydrogen to clean up industries that are hard to electrify. They are developing cleaner steel production, transforming one of the largest industries in the world. Cleaner refineries. More sustainable ways to produce fertilizers that are helping us feed the world while protecting it. And they are developing cleaner transport solutions that keep us moving without polluting the air we breathe. Together, we're not just building cleaner industries, we're building a better future for this and the next generation.